Welcome fellow shavers, here before you, my own independent review for Philips OneBlade shaver. And I got mine at Costco. $55. Before tax. Now let's open box with laser cutter. Included in special value pack 1. 5mm body comb. Snaps into place. And here we have 3mm skin guard. Also a snap-on. Stubble combs. Too many options. Here they are, in action. Starting with body comb. Fast forward 2 minutes. The light, short beard look. As for the skin guard, for body, this head's attachment appears to give a closer shave. This would have been faster with just the razor head. For blade guard, the end results appeared short. I found the 3mm felt more like a 1.5 to 2mm. And now, next on the venue, the stubble comb. Voila, the lengthier, dirty, old man, carpet, look. And then a face blade, body blade, and bonus blade. I must confess, I got a little confused. What's the difference between face and body blade? Does OneBlade shaver need more than one blade? According to the manual, separating blades is for hygiene purposes. Best avoid using body blade on face. We also went and got additional standalone body blade kit and face blade to compare differences. According to Philips, a blade should last 4 months. Let's see what's included. In the body kit, you get a blade with pre-installed skin guard and a 5mm body comb. As for the blade kit,
dun, dun, dun.
You get a blade. Safe to say, the blades appear the same. Anyways, back to initial review. The Philips OneBlade shaver is bigger than a manual shaver. The manual razor will definitely give you a closer shaving. But for handling large bearded face, this is your guy. For maximum smoothness, you might need to incorporate a second razor in the mix. As for the basics. To charge razor plug cord at the back, light will blink green while charging. Blinking orange light means to charge razor. A solid green light means fully charged. To eject blade, press. Hey, this reminds me that time with Megaboom. As for the mechanics, running razor. A motor. Rotation is redirected through a mitre gear shifting the blade back and forth. In conclusion, razor will remove a large beard quickly with little pain or effort. If you only shave with this razor, you will still have rough prickly stubbles. If you just want to remove long hairs, this razor is great. But if you're going on a date, I would definitely recommend using additional shaver. But definitely effective in keeping this COVID beard under control.